For my collection that I'm working on right now, it's like the political corruption and the history that's going on right now in Korea that inspired me to draw about this comfort women issue and then Japanese imperialism issue. I really liked working with watercolor, and then it shows the dream of the comfort women and the reality. I wrote comfort women in Japanese to show how they were abused. Bloods as rising sun flag because Japanese people did it. It's not the victim's fault. They're actually holding their hands and then they're holding their arms to resemble that they were like working together and to survive. Here, I used threads to show what Japanese soldiers did to comfort women. They were trapped in their room and then they only had one mattress for sleeping, and then that was it. It was just one room. Parts of their hands shows how many soldiers that they had to serve in each day. Some days they had to serve over like 40 soldiers. The Japanese soldiers just treated them as just a snack. Like they didn't treat them as like human. They like it. They say like it's creepy, they feel uncomfortable, and that was what I'm going for. I'm doing this to raise the awareness of like the rising sun flag and like Japan's imperialism, since no one knows about it, since America doesn't teach about it as they teach about Holocaust and Nazi, but it just made it more easier to express myself through art. This place is significant for me because this place has a peace monument and they have peace monument around the world. That girl is just barefoot and then like gripping her fist. It makes me emotional. Like I when I came here, I started to cry because like when I just saw that statue, I just got emotional.